Welcome to the fourth and final video for the Emoji Book Finder app tutorial using Thunkable. We are on the last step really, which is to export this so that it's downloadable and shareable. But after I show you how to do this, I'm also going to tell you a few ways that you could make this app even better and show you some more advanced features that you could add. So first I'm going to show you how to export. So before we've been testing here with Thunkable Live, but now if you are done and the app is ready to go, you will choose export. The app, if you want to install it on a device that you have right next to you, so like a tablet that's in front of you right now, you would click on this and you'll be given a QR code that you can scan. But that QR code is only valid for about 2 hours. So it's not like you could print that out and then take it home and install it on a device at home. So instead of using the QR code feature for a device that you own at your house, you're going to do the second option under export. So the second option was to download the APK file. So when you select that, it'll go down to the bottom bar here, and then you can send it as an email attachment. So right here, it will download here, and you can send it as an email attachment. So instead of doing the QR code thing, if you want to send it to friends and family, you'll have to do this one. So there's two different ways to download it. First, the QR code. If you have your device, if you don't have the device on you, you'll need to save it to the computer and send it as an email attachment. All right, a few different ideas for making this even better. So obviously you could add more emojis and more screens with more book reviews. I think that's a great idea. Additionally, I thought it might be nice to show you how to add sound. So if I go to screen 2, I may want to read this aloud. So for someone who can't read yet. Although that is a little ironic if you're recommending a book but they can't read. But anyway, we're going to go with it. We're going to say it might be nice to have this read aloud to you. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So in a new tab, you can go to vocaroo.com. And this is a website that allows you to record your voice. So you click record. You may have to do this allow camera and microphone access thing. So you just click OK or allow. And right now it's recording what I'm saying. And you want to make this about 30 seconds long or less. You don't want the audio file to be too big because that will make your app too big to email to people. So when you're done and you've read your paragraph or whatever your book recommendation is, you can click stop, and when you can listen to it or retry. And when you're happy with the recording, you can say click here to save. That will give you a few options here. We want this very first blue one that says download as MP3. When you click on that, your voice file, which for me is just a bunch of me talking, is going to be downloaded here as a Vocaroo file. So we can go back to Thunkable now. And on this screen, we're going to drag over from the media section, we're going to drag over the sound element. And it's invisible, so we're just going to let it go. And you'll notice it showed up down here. It's a non-visible component, but it is listed here as well. So then when you go into blocks, we can make it so that when the screen is initialized or when that screen starts, we can play the sound. Okay, so call, sound, play. So this will make it so that when they go to screen 2, they will hear the sound that you upload. So now let's go back to Designer and define this sound. So the source right now is none. So if you try that and you try testing it, you won't hear anything because you have to upload the file that we just made. So we're going to go to upload and choose file. And we want to find the most recent file, and it will say Vocaroo. And then say OK. So now it is in there, and when they open this screen, that will automatically start playing. So that's just one extra feature you could add to your app if you have time, or you could add more pages or more books on each page if you want. You could do multiple recommendations. So there's lots of ways to make this better, and I'm sure you could come up with a few more ways as well. Feel free to explore around in Thunkable, and then like I said, when you're ready, you can export by downloading to the computer and sending as an email attachment, or downloading via the QR code here. All right, I hope you had fun, and check out some of my other videos to make more apps at nhkidscode.com. Thank you.